Hi everyone, welcome to this week's weekly analysis. In this week's weekly analysis, I'm going to be talking to you about what I will be trading this week, okay, and what my directional bias is for all I'm going to be trading this week. And I would like you to pay close attention to all the necessary instructions I'm going to be giving so you can apply them in your trading so you can have a better experience in this week. Okay, so I'm going to look at those new pairs which we've introduced the GJ with you for the free channel. For the VIP channel, of course, I'm discussing AJ, EJ, and the rest of the new pairs with them on the VIP community. If you'd like to be a part of that, then you may need to subscribe to the VIP community to gain access to that. So for those of you on the free channel, I would like you to just follow me straight to the chart. So let's look at what the dollar index is giving us for this new week, and also discuss with you what BJPY is giving us, silver, and the people USDT for the crypto, okay, and also possibly the synthetics if we find time to get that done as well. Let's go straight to the chart. It's the dollar index, and this is the move it's made so far. So quickly, for you to be able to understand the directional bias, at least to an extent, even though there's a lot of indecisive movements, but to an extent the bearish move is what we're seeing on the weekly time frame clearly. The 24-hour we're finding a bearish move clearly, and on the 4-hour we're finding the bearish move also clearly, of which if you can find bearish retracements giving us bearish confirmations, then we can strictly do buys only on any pair that is correlated directly to it. So GU has tested these liquidity points. Once it takes it out, which of course it's mitigated it already, so it gives any bullish move, then we are all in on GU. So that's the direction for GU. As for GJ, if you look from the top down quickly from 1 week, you see that it is bullish, right? It looks bullish. It's actually bearish in this way, but retracing bullish. So let's just say bullish because that's what's happening currently. It's from the 24-hour bullish, so that's what's happening currently. And then for the 4-hour, it looks also bullish. Okay, so what that will mean is anytime we find a bullish confirmation, like right now it's giving this move, this new high, once it takes it to give us something like a break of structure and another one which is the change of character, then we're going to be finding bullish entries on GJ. As for the people USDT, the crypto markets is been bullish for a while now. I guess you can find Bitcoin has done its all-time high. Okay, so that means it's a bull run, it's a bull period, so we're going to be finding more buys. So this is the 1 week time frame bullish, 24-hour time frame bullish, 4-hour time frame. You see it's looking bearish retracement, but it's still bullish anyway, because if we can find bullish entries on this, then we can, like this, a new high, if it can take it out to give us a break of structure, another broken high which is a change of character, taking out this liquidity, we're going to find the buy entries. And the final one, which is the silver, let's do a quick top down. 1 week it's bullish, 24-hour looks bullish, and then 4-hour looks bullish as well. So silver can actually be buying anytime, so it can be buying even from here. Yeah, this is an entry on silver. Should, in case you want to buy, you can buy silver from here. Stop here, don't go too far, just put your stop loss around here. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing for silver. but this will do for silver. Okay, and for the synthetics, quickly, I forgot that we took one entry on jump 25 during the live weekly class on Monday 1 p.m. GMT +1 last week, or maybe during the weekly analysis. I don't know which of them now, but I posted this entry and it actually went to a hit take profit. So for jump, the analysis has been done for the new week. Once I find any entry, I'm going to let you know. So jump, let's see. Okay, this is the 30 minutes time frame. So this is the 15 minutes time frame, which is our entry time frame. It looks like you can actually buy from here, but let's just see the trend first. So it's bullish on 4 hour, but it's retracing bearish also on 8 hour, bullish on 24 hour. So you can actually take this bearish entry shortly. You can take it at least to these points, okay, for jump 25, and then for volatility 25, it's seriously having some ranging moments, so you will wait for these liquidities that's been spotted to be taken out. This one, let all of them be mitigated before we can. I hope you were able to find value and understand the clear directional biases in the different trading pairs that we might be approaching in this week. I hope this helps you to be able to formulate how you should trade this week. Trade with much cautions, okay? Trade with much cautions. The market's movements has really changed lately, so don't trade as you used to trade before. If I do more back testings to be sure that your strategy would give you winning entries, okay? Pay attention to all those basic instructions. Remember, I'll be live 1 p.m. GMT +1 on Monday, and that live trading session will also guide you and also help you live to understand a few things, and also how I'm going to be trading in this new week. I hope you are profitable this week. Pay attention, pay closely attention to the various instructions, and make sure you don't do the wrong thing, okay, so that you can win in the week. See you during the weekly live trading session with me. Have a great week.